Smells like licorice. Hi! It's so good to see you. Thanks for coming back. This is my second time recording this. Today we're gonna be opening up Play by Sephora. Sephora Play runs $10 a month. It is plus tax, so it comes out to $10.70 for me, and usually includes 5 sample size products. So let's open it up and see what they sent me. Briogeo, and this is a Farewell Frizz. I actually don't use hair products, so I don't know what I'll do with this. I'll figure it out sometime. GLAMGLOW. And this is a Supertoner Exfoliating Acid Solution Toner. My face is freshly washed, so we're gonna check this out. Ooh, smells like licorice. Like black licorice, like kind that I do not like. And apparently there's charcoal and clay in this. It's supposed to exfoliate, purify, and clarify your complexion. So I'm very excited to try this because I have pores for days. Charcoaly color. Wow, I just washed my face and it still got dirt off of it. And apparently you're supposed to use it twice a week and then build up to every night. There's no tingling, no strange sensation, so I'm happy with that. And full size of this runs $42. So that's expensive. But if it does its job right, I guess it's worth it, right? Sunday Riley, and this is an A+ high dose retinol serum. And this is supposed to combat fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. Just need a dime size amount. Yeah, feels really good. My skin is looking kind of nice, actually. I don't know if that's what did it, but it's not bad. That toner, I'm a fan of that toner. Oh, I'm feeling fancy. Skincare, here I come. Oh my god. Full size of this runs $85. I'm like, what? Okay. Wow, this bag is skincare heavy. Clinique. And this is a Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. These names are like super freaking long. It's like a soft peach. Oh wow. It smells really nice. Okay, let's see how it feels on the skin. Oh wow. This just like glides on. Wow. It feels like freaking melted butter. I wonder if I use too much because it feels really good on my skin. Oh, new moisturizer could be like, ooh, moisturize my skin. It was fragrance free. Still smells good. I don't know what they put in it. Regular size of this runs $39.50. Wow, my skin feels like so hydrated. It's like, oh, you're treating me, you're treating me. No, just kidding. So I have my makeup all done up. Bareminerals Dew Mist Setting Spray. Now let's see how it plays out. Whoa, there's a lot of dew in that mist. Wow. I was not expecting that. Wow. Okay. Obviously way too much over here. Did not feel like a dew. It definitely felt like a very heavy mist. Oh, it's a hydrate and glow. Free of dullness and dryness. No, I like dry. I like dry. Settling down. Just feel like it's gonna end up looking oily as opposed to dewy. Okay, I was getting nervous. I was like, what are you doing here? And full size of this is $28. So that is very nice actually. Looks almost natural. Ooh. NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. I've never actually used a NARS product before, so I'm very excited. Dance Fever. Smells like a lipstick. Oh, it's a lot lighter than I thought it would be. Ooh. Dance Fever is not dancing. We can try and darken this up a little bit. I'm not actually a fan of this. It's too light for me. And this is $27, so it's not a cheap lip pencil. It's not my style. I like bold and beautiful, and this is just not Dance Fever. Who comes up with these names? Well, that's it. That was everything in my Sephora box. Have a good one. Bye.